Naglabas na po talaga ang Bureau of Immigration ng parang notice, no, na 4 sa mga 16 individuals po ay currently outside of the country aside from Zaldico. Ngayon po, ang aking katanungan po, may mga arrest warrant na po sila. Paano kaya natin sila, sa tingin niyo ba, may chance po talaga sila na bumalik? At kung sakaling bumalik po itong 4, ano po ang hakbang na gagawin po ng Bureau of Immigration?
Well, Ma'am Pat, no, that's the best case scenario na bumalik po sila sa Pilipinas para harapin po nila yung mga cases that were filed against them. Kapag po bumalik sila ng Pilipinas at encountered sila ng immigration, ang magiging procedure po, since sila po ay Filipinos, hindi po sila under jurisdiction of DI, but we will see doon sa ating system, doon sa ating centralized database, na sila po ay may active warrant of arrest. With that po, we inform the police, ang kapulisan po, para pupunta po sila doon sa paliparan at i-implement po ang pag-aresto po sa kanya. The same thing goes po for anyone within the list who tries to leave naman the country. Wala po silang whole departure order, pero with the warrant of arrest, technically, hindi po sila makakaalis ng bansa dahil sila ay may warrant of arrest. And we also inform the police for them to implement the arrest against them.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning again. Napakarami na po nating mga kaso from the past, from Farmally to the Pogo, yung high-value suspects po nakakatakas dahil wala po silang whole departure order. May kakulangan po ba sa inyong koordinasyon with, for example, the Justice Department at sa iba pa pong ahensya para masiguro po na hindi tayo natatakasan ng high-value suspects?
Siguro po hindi ko masabing kakulangan because we are dependent on what was issued by the court, the orders that are issued by the Department of Justice. Agad naman po yan na i-implement natin. Actually, within less than an hour siguro, once makuha natin yung kopya ng order, na ilalagay na po natin yan doon sa centralized database natin. Siguro the concern comes from the fact that there is a time in between the investigation and the filing of cases. Kaya siguro isa din po sa mga nire-recommenda din natin doon sa mga nag-file ng cases against people of medyo high-profile cases. Maaari pong gamitin nila yung precautionary whole departure order, which is different from whole departure order in the sense na nasa piskalya pa lang po yung kaso, pwede nang mag-issue ng whole departure order preventing the departure of a subject that might have a flight risk, might be a flight risk, na maaaring umalis ng bansa habang umaandar or gumugulong yung kaso na niluluto against that person.